Good day, class. So today we'll be looking at how to find the inverse of a matrix using Gaussian elimination method. So suppose that the inverse of this matrix is this. Yeah. To find the inverse of this matrix using Gaussian elimination method, we have to write this matrix here, then augment it with the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then we will now use elementary row operations to transfer this 1001 this side, and whatever we have this side will become our inverse of the matrix A. Okay, so let's see how to do it using this example. Okay, for this example, this is the solution. Okay, let me explain the solution. Okay, you know, our aim is to transfer this 1001 here. So whatever we have in this side will now be the inverse of the matrix. So what we have to do, for us to have 1001 here, we have to pivot this number. We need all these two to be 1, 1. So what we have to do, we have to divide this by 3, this row by 3, or you say use 1 over 3 to times the first row. So if you use 1 over 3 to times the first row, you will get this row. Okay, so you already have 1 here. Now if you want to have 1 here, use 1 over 4 to times this row, you have this one. Okay, so next we want to have 0 here, so that since we have gotten 1, then we have 1, 0, then next we have 0, 1. Okay, so we have to want to have 0 here. So what we have to do, we do row 2 minus row 1, so that 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Half minus 1 over 3 will give us 1 over 6. 0 minus 1 over 3 will give us minus 1 over 3. 1 over 4 minus 0 will give us 1 over 4. Okay, so next we come this side. Next we want here to be 0. So what do we do? If you notice, if we times this one by 2, it will become 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. And if we subtract 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, we will have 0. So what we have to do now, we'll do row 1 minus 2 times row 2. That's row 1 minus 2 row 2. Okay, so if you use 2 to times this, you have 1 over 3. So if you do 1 minus 0, you have 1 there. 1 over 3 minus 2 times this will give us 0, because 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3 will give us 0. Okay, then 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3. That's 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 will give us 1. Then 0 minus 2 over 4. That's 2 times this will give us minus 1 over 2. Okay, so you bring down this row 2 again. Bring it down. Row 2 goes to row 2. Okay, so we already have 1001. We already have 1001 over 6. Now we want to have 1 here. So what do? We simply times this row 2 with 6. So that 6 times 1 over 6 will give us 1. So if you use 6 to times this, we have 1. Use 6 to times this, we have minus 2. Use 6 to times this, 6 over 4, which is 3 over 2. Okay, so we have succeeded in having 1001. The identity matrix is this side. So whatever is here is our inverse matrix. Therefore, this guy is our inverse matrix. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.